Alex Stone here. Welcome to Bodycam, presented by Ride Along Podcast with Reid Kerr today. Reid?
Excited to be here. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
My order chase Reid on the count.
Alright, I'm looking at it right now. There's a confirmed vehicle in the water.
Vehicle crash.
I'm gonna see if there's anyone in it.
So, kudos. You see a vehicle in the water. You don't even know if there's a person in there. And he's talking like he's saying hello to you at breakfast. Phenomenal.
Completely calm.
Completely calm. What a stud.
Chase, did you copy that? We have a vehicle in the water. 408 eastbound at I-4.
So it's right off the major thoroughfare.
You have OFD's Water Rescue Team 51? Hey, Orlando Police! Anyone in the vehicle?
Vehicle is going to be occupied. Driver is 10-4, not totally submerged. We just got to figure out a way to get to him.
Driver, are you able to open your window?
Alligators.
Yeah, it's
Hell
Texas,
no.
man.
I'm out of there, dude. Or Florida?
Hit like boa constrictors.
Heck
all
no,
kinds of
man.
things. I don't know
ugh.
what body of water that is.
Yeah,
But,
any body of water, man. That's
crazy.
terrifying.
He's trying to break it.
Somebody's supposed to ramp down.
Actually, he's going down more.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, they're going in.
So I hate to say this, but
Go.
how many times as a police officer do you do the job of fire and rescue?
Quite a bit.
A lot. So this is just one of those rare cases where law enforcement, because fire EMTs, they're not out on patrol, they're at a centralized location, right? They're typically not the first people on scene. And so this is one of those great opportunities when police officers get to actually save someone's life
Yeah.
and not have to worry about violating rights and constitutional law and all that.
Yep.
Hey, it's 10:14. We got 2 officers going in the water.
Hey,
careful! Hey, the car's moving. Careful! I'm gonna pull.
So we got 3 officers in the water right now. That's the line they have. If it had been a fire department, there'd be a winch, there'd be a life vest, all kinds of stuff.
Okay, somebody help Jeremy. Come on. All right. He's down. I got his shirt. Where's the guy? Where's he at? I got his shirt. Come on. Lift him up. Come on.
It's great. The communication's great among the team. They're all taking their turns.
Come on. Somebody grab Jeremy. Grab Jeremy. Grab Jeremy. Grab one. Someone grab one. Come on. Get up, bud. Come on. Come on. Got you. Come on.
Hey, can you hear me?
Oh, so
Can you hear me?
okay, they did a start.
Get it out.
Oh, he had water in his lungs.
Else in the
Yeah.
car?
Hey,
So he was drowning, for
No?
sure.
So, only one.
Only he was in the car. He's out.
You good?
Good job. Wow, excellent. Like I said, there's so many times when you're out there and you're patrolling because you want to keep the community safe, and you end up doing the job of that firefighter and EMT. And they did a great job. They acted as a team. They took turns talking. They got the guy to shore. They cleared his lungs of water, and the guy's alive.
Yeah, that was really good. Not a whole lot of feedback on there. It is, you can tell that they were definitely worked up. I mean, who wouldn't be?
Had those been firefighters and EMTs, they probably would have been more cool and calm.
Yeah, a little bit.
think
You
you're
can just
right.
tell it's maybe a unique situation for a lot of them. I mean, how many? I mean, I know several police officers that have been in this same position that have done similar things. But how often you get into a situation where you're literally, swimming and performing life rescue in that situation is probably rare. So for them, that was
Right, yeah.
those were some new waters literally to tread in.
Ooh, boom.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Love that.
So, yeah, what a great job.
Love it. Bodycam. Check it out.